Hi and welcome to On Tools. Today we're going to have a look at 15-inch Snail brand F-wrench adjustable spanner. This is as I found it. It's already featured on Reggie on the Roads channel on the day that I found it, quite a while ago. This condition it's in, quite rusty, but I think it's still moving quite freely. So I've started to clean off the rust. So it's been wire brushed, sanded back. Some of the casting marks removed off that back edge. That's it apart. Screw out thumb wheel. And I'll give it a lick of paint, stop it going rusty again, or as rusty. Hopefully to protect it a little bit. Don't normally come across 15-inch ones on the car boot. They're all normally a lot smaller. Don't know what the stampings relate to in the jaw. There we go, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment.